Speaking of futuristic, Aptera is now taking orders on an EV that claims to never need charging. I don't know if you've seen this thing. Now, it's hard to compare it to the other successful electric vehicles in the marketplace, Tesla and others, because this one is, well, it does not look like a typical car at all. It looks like some sort of a crossover of a motorcycle and car. It's so tiny, little three-wheel vehicle, which I think Elon has taken shots at in the past, saying he would never develop a three-wheeled vehicle because of safety concerns and other things. However, that didn't stop this group. Aptera needed to develop something incredibly efficient so that they could, and in this article on Car and Driver, they call it a battery with wheels. Like basically all the weight is the battery, and then it's the most minimal materials possible to get these incredible range figures. We're talking about hitting previously seemingly impossible target of 1,000 miles of range on a charge. 1,000 miles. And doing so with a 0.13 coefficient of drag, allowing it to expend only 100 watt-hours of energy per mile. I know that means a lot to you, Will. The point is the thing is stupid efficient.
So how does it charge?
Solar.
It's solar.
So their claim, now it's not like as you're driving, you are converting solar into electric in real time without, you're expending more energy than you're gathering. However, you have to park your car. And depending on the environment in which you're driving this car, the thinking is that it will be capable of charging fast enough and being efficient enough while you're driving it that you'll never need to plug it in, that there could be scenarios for users where they never need to plug it in.
Yeah, this seems like the best case scenario.
For the future.
Yeah.
Yeah, but, well, I think you're leaving out one really important part, though.
Well, where's the solar panel thing?
No, the solar panel's there. It's on the top. The important reason why the trouble with this being the future right now is you got 18-wheelers on the road.
Yeah, this looks delicate.
You got SUVs on the road, man. Yeah. And I'm just saying, look, I don't think there's been crash tests yet. But I'm just saying, you put the dummies in there, I'm concerned a little bit. And definitely with Elon coming out and saying, look, I'm not interested for safety reasons. I'm all for it, man. Science fiction, energy efficiency, drag coefficient. I'm for it, man. But I got to just put the other side in there. It's, you always give something up, man, to be this lightweight. Now, crazy enough, this tiny little thing. So the solar roof array, by the way, just real quick, is going to add 40 miles of range over the course of a single sunny day. You can add extra panels to the hood and hatch to add another 24 miles of range. Again, you're going to need some sunny weather. It's not going to do as well over here in the winter, obviously. Now, what impressed me was the 0 to 60 times, because the thing looks kind of like it doesn't look fast. I mean, the shape of it looks fast, but it just looks so like a bicycle or something. It looks like efficiency at all costs. I didn't expect it to be fast. However, the 3-wheel drive model can apparently do 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, which is not nothing.
It's something.
For a high-efficiency vehicle like this. The heaviest model is going to come in around 2,200 pounds, so it might actually be fun to drive. And the pricing will range from $25,900 to $46,000, depending on the options. It doesn't look like it has very much cargo either. We should also say that.
Right.
I don't think you can go haul too much stuff in here, but apparently they're taking pre-orders. So
what?
You can give them, I think it started on December the 4th, I believe. You can give them $100. Started 7 p.m. on Friday, December 4th. I think I'll give them $100. Let me see. Can I give them $100? I'll order one of these.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can give them $100. So, driven by the power of the sun. I mean, the thing looks cool regardless. Safety concerns aside, that thing looks cool and fun, and I'll pre-order, and maybe they'll give us an earlier one we can bring to the new studio.
Yeah, let's
we'll get in touch and see if we can play with one of these Apteras maybe even before it hits the market. It's a very cool looking thing. You got to admit that much.